by the waters of Babylon. There we sat down and wept when we remembered Zion. On the willows there we hung up our lyres, for there our captors required of us songs, and our tormentors mirth, saying, Sing us one of the songs of Zion. How shall we sing the Lord's song in a foreign land? If I forget you, O Jerusalem, let my right hand wither, let my tongue cleave to the roof of my mouth. If I do not remember you, if I do not set Jerusalem above my highest joy. Remember, O Lord, against the Edomites, the day of Jerusalem, how they said, raise it, down to its foundations. O daughter of Babylon, you devastator, happy shall he be who requites you with what you have done to us. Happy shall he be who takes your little ones and dashes them against the rock. Psalm 137 is a deeply emotional and mournful psalm reflecting the sorrow of the Israelites during their exile in Babylon. It expresses grief, longing for home, and a cry for justice. Themes and lessons: exile and mourning. The psalm begins with a picture of the Israelites weeping by the rivers of Babylon, grieving their captivity and loss of Jerusalem. God understands deep sorrow. The psalm gives voice to real pain and reminds us that it's okay to bring our grief and lament honestly before God. Longing for Zion, Jerusalem. There is deep emotional attachment to Jerusalem, described not just as a city, but as the heart of their identity and worship. We must never forget our spiritual roots. The passion for Jerusalem symbolizes the importance of remembering God's promises, our faith, and our identity, even in times of hardship. Forced silence and mockery. The captors mock the Israelites, asking them to sing their sacred songs in a foreign land, adding to their humiliation and sorrow. Commitment to remember Jerusalem. The psalmist vows never to forget Jerusalem, even saying that his hand and tongue should lose function if he does, symbolizing deep loyalty. Faith endures in exile. Even far from home and temple, the people hold on to their identity and faith. True worship goes beyond physical places. Desire for justice and vengeance. The latter verses express strong cries for justice against Edom and Babylon for their cruelty, ending with a disturbing and violent image of vengeance. Justice and judgment belong to God. While the psalm includes calls for vengeance, it reflects a longing for justice. It shows how deep wounds cry out for God's righteous judgment. If I forget you, O Jerusalem, let my right hand forget its skill. Psalm 137 verse 5. Psalm 137 is a raw and powerful reminder of the pain of displacement, the longing for restoration, and the enduring bond between a people and their God, even in exile. It teaches us to bring our sorrows honestly before God while trusting Him for justice and healing.